Alright, MoreThanTrucks.com here. Okay, what we have here is a 2002 Freightliner MT55 step van. This thing is 13 foot in length. It has two doors on both sides of the vehicle. So a great delivery van right off the start. Now I always say these can be perfectly used also for the food market industry. If you're looking to build a food truck, this side door, you can use it, as you open it. The back of the door could be a menu, your specials, and you can still make a service counter through the door. And at the end of the day, you can still lock it in tight and keep the truck, nice and secure. This one has 142K for miles. I have others with less miles. I have several of these. Still good miles for a Cummins diesel 5.9, folks. A lot of life left. Tires are pretty decent. Good running truck. Any questions, feel free to give us a call at 516-782-7087, or you look us up on the web at MoreThanTrucks.com. You guys have a good day and happy step van shopping.
How did we get so far? How did we get so far ahead of us? How did we get so